Commander, we've received a priority signal from the Chapter Honor Guard.
The Master of Scribes found this message. He came to me. He did not know whom else to trust.
You must get Diomedes to put a leash on Angelos. He still has us chasing them, and that is putting me at great risk. I am not the only one whom we discovered if it comes to that. Do you understand me, Galen? Knowledge is power, as you're all so fond of saying.
This was sent to Calderis and the Honor Guard. Corruption worms its way into the chapter's heart. You must stand against this. These gene seeds will ensure the future of our chapter. Well done, Commander.
Commander, praise Terra you have...
This is Captain Diomedes. All Blood Ravens are to cease crusade recruitment and other operations within the Aurelian sector. Return to your muster points and prepare for mobilization to the Ferox Swift Crusade. Knowledge is power. Guard it well.
He abandons the sector so easily. How can we follow such a man?
We are receiving another priority signal from Captain Angelos.
Commander, we must not abandon this sector to the traitor legions. I am headed to Calderis to discuss the matter with Diomedes. Continue to oppose the Black Legion. Angelos out.
Gabriel is correct. We must continue. We must find the traitor in our ranks.
Commander, praise Terra you have come. The Vandis heretics and the Black Legion are overrunning Capital Spire itself. We still hold the Imperial Palace, but they have taken the rest of the spire. Commander, praise Terra. Attention, this is Governor Elena de Rosa. The Blood Ravens are here. The Emperor's angels of death fight with us. Drive the traitors from the palace gates.
It is time.
Greetings to your Blood Ravens, Commander.
The Black Legion will not give up so easily, Governor. Prepare for a counterattack.
Commander, I have 7 tarantula turrets ready to deploy.
Assault squad ready. Assault squad repositioning.
Direct our wrath.
Thaddeus reporting. Assault squad repositioning.
Nemesis under attack.
This is Thaddeus. Relocating. Go! Show our withdraw! Keep in formation!
Weapons ready.
Aerial assault. Go! Coordinates fixed. To the front. Prepare for combat. It is done.
The enemy still holds the communications around Imperial Shrine below the plaza, however. A quick strike could be taken, Commander.
Area secured.
My initiates and I will keep this area secure. Your firepower is needed elsewhere.
Additional turrets are ready to deploy, Commander.
Once again, you have saved Meridian.
Victory is but a prelude to the next battle.
Commander, I am forever in your debt. I cannot understand why Captain Angelos and Captain Diomedes refused to aid us. But in our darkest times, against our most terrible foes, you stood with us. Meridian will never forget this. I will never forget.